Ready to go in, huh? Maybe plug this hole in the side right here.
What hole in the side? Ah, fuck. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. All right.
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, not again. What the fuck? Put him on the wrong side.
Nope. Well.
That's up there. Google mechanic certified.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. One of these is for the Camaro. One of these is not for the Camaro. Yeah.
That makes no sense. You can't just throw a certain thing and put it in. This will be what, number 4?
This technically would be number 1 because it's a different engine. But no, in all honesty, this would be the 5th timing chain this car's been through. Yeah, just stay there. All right, it's time. Oh, there's my little rubber nozzle. My little rub. My little rub-a-dub-dub. We're gonna stop calling it that. Should I put my starter on now or later?
Now, motherfucker, what? Ready to go in, huh?
I hope so.
Anything else where it bolts on? Like maybe plug this hole in the side right here?
What hole in the side?
I want to go straight to your piston, dog.
Oh, fuck. That's what I forgot. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. All right.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You're gonna get on the phone with Advanced.
No, not again. After telling them to pull the camera
And you're
off.
gonna tell them that I need a crank position sensor for an LS3.
Hey, this genius over here needs an LS3 cam position sensor.
Crank position sensor. Oh, and I'm the genius. All right. How are we looking back there?
We got about a quarter-inch room. What we're touching now.
I know we're touching something. I know we're touching over here. Right.
What the fuck?
Oh, wow. My confidence is just growing more and more the more I use this shit. Hold on. No, you're good. Let it go. Let it go further. It's always a super tight squeeze here. Right there. Stop.
Can you take your balance on top of?
All right, go ahead and let it go down a little bit. Keep going. Leave it right there. Go ahead and start letting it back down again. Hold on. Stop.
Stop.
I'm in on this side. I just need to make sure I'm in on the other side.
You're not.
I know. All right. That happened. I did that.
Put him on the wrong side.
Nope. Well. Okay, we have to fix this right in there. So what I've managed to do, right, is I've managed to put the engine mount one too far back.
On just one side?
Yeah,
One side.
just this side. All right, you ready? Right there, stop. Okay, go ahead. Oh, fuck. All right, let it down. Stop, right there. Almost. All right, go ahead and let it down.
She's in.
It has an engine.
Well.
Nice. Let me get these fastened down real quick.
Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck. Yeah, bud.
Alright, let's just fucking send it. I have my reservations about putting the transmission in first before the headers. The headers are going to be a massive bitch and I have to put in afterwards, but...
Why don't we put the headers in first then?
Because then getting the bell housing in is going to be a huge pain in the ass.
Okay, I'd rather do headers afterwards then.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. What are you doing? Why don't we just lower the car?
Because I'm finding it's max right now. Keep bumping the camera.
Oh, on the fucking trans tunnel?
Yeah, typically I smack my head on the trans camera. On the trans tunnel. Stop moving that leg, you mother trucker!
Where's it hiding the rest of this pipe that is coming out right now? Because I like actually can't do the math here. Dude.
I'm loosening up this chain a little bit.
Oh, I smell fresh.
I'm loosening up this chain a little bit more. It's about to be completely unsupported, so.
All the holes are lined up. We're just gonna get that fucking spline out.
Oh, wow. Alright.
Are we trying to get the spline there now?
Huh? Thank you.
Kicking me around. The mice couldn't have got up there, could they? That's just too tall.
I had it taped up.
Okay. Thank God. Like, fuck, that could have been bad.
Yeah, that could have sucked.
Yeah.
It could have done a little bit more than suck, actually.
That could have blown them off.
Alright, Tyler, hold this.
Can you hold that one up too?
Oh, shit.
Get cock block. We should just run this thing with the headers. Do you need to get in the car to bolt this thing in?
Yes.
Okay. Well, at least it's lined up. That's up there. That's fucking crazy looking.
It's weird to see that this thing has a whole engine and transmission in it.
Which it did not have earlier this week.
It didn't have that earlier today.
Yeah.
Cool.
God, no.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I'll hold it up.
Just pick up on it a little bit.
See it.
Let me sneak this gasket in.
There we go. That's better. You ready?
Yep, go ahead and push up on it. Up, right there. Alright, it's gonna come loose.
Yep, that's fine.
This harness is all up in the way. What in the fuck are you doing?
Dude, I can't wait to smell this thing when it starts up.
I know what you mean, but that was such a weird fucking way to say
It's
that.
a weird thing to say if you don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
What do we want to do next? Do we want to do the drive shaft? No, we're gonna go ahead and put these on next.
Yeah, let's button up the engine bay as much as possible, then put the drive shaft on.
How's Chad doing?
He's Chad.
Better. Well, I'm like, could literally go anywhere else. Crazy, but I think that it's just lacking in horsepower right now.
Uh-oh.
As far as making some horsepowers, it'll actually be full.
Oh, damn. Wow, 3 in a row. I just went righty-loosey on 3 in a row.
That's how you do it. That's exactly how you do it.
I feel like a real champion right now. That's so ridiculous. But that's all right. That's right. That's right. I'm gonna righty Lucy a few more of these.
Alright. Do you think, King? Do you think? Oh.
All right. Okay, we're gonna bleed the brakes now. There's not really a good way of doing this, so we're gonna do it shitty way. Troy, are you ready?
Yep.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Down. Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
And down.
Down.
And up.
Up.
And down.
Down.
And up.
Up.
Rubber.
Welcome to the party up here. It's my little treehouse.
Is it? All right, ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
And down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up. Honey, where's my super suit?
Go ahead.
One. That one came back all the way.
All right.
2. And hold it.
Up.
Up.
Give it some pumps.
Yep. 1. 2.
How does it feel?
It's feeling like a clutch now.
So if you press it right now, it feels like a whole clutch.
Yeah, I'm pumping it right now.
I'm gonna slap this belt on it. We will then swap the ECU. The battery's ready in the back, it's just not hooked up. Gotta run these. I think I'm missing anything else. This goes like, then they're gonna come over here like this.
Pull up there.
Yep, so go ahead and hold that right here.
Yep.
I'm probably wrong, but we're gonna fucking send it and then we'll check. Go ahead and work. Ooh.
Here.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, let up. All right, let's see if we got it right.
Yeah.
I got it.
Google Mechanic Certified.
What's next? I need to route these. This, I'm almost certain, will be as simple as I'm gonna hit this with a real quick and easy skadoosh. I need to swap this ECU out for the other one. Troy, I'm about to give you the most important job I think anybody has ever had. Tyler, have you seen my flashlight? So it looks like it's as simple as this, and then please don't break on me. Same thing here. All right. Wow.
That was damn easy.
There it is.
Holy shit.
I don't know if this is going to stay in. Do you got it, tree? Do you?
No. Of course I don't.
I knew it. I knew I couldn't count on you.
I agree.
I'm gonna connect the battery and we're gonna crank the motor. Oh boy.
Roll the window down.
Nothing. Vehicle theft deterrent? No! The ECU. All right. Hold on. Alrighty. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but this looks a little funky, doesn't it? So, the fuel system is bad, or at least the engine side fuel system. I even went as far as to replace this hose and it's leaking at the fitting. So it's like coming out in between the fitting here. It's leaking from like halfway through this hose, like right, I don't know. The hose is damaged anyways. And then I'm gonna see if I can get that off. All right, that's off. So it's leaking from here. It's leaking from the back of the fuel rail. It's leaking from these two fittings here. The hose that I had pulled off of this center part like fell apart in my hands. So I'm assuming it's probably gonna be what I find back there. Kind of at a stopping point, I guess, because there's not a fucking thing I can do. I cranked it over, it does crank, everything looks good. I was about to flash a bass tune onto it because it is no longer a 7-liter. It is a stock LS3 now. For now, it's, well, you'll see what's going on. So anyways, I'm gonna have to order a new rail and lines. So that'll probably be it for right now. But hang tight, and in the next one, we'll get this thing back on the road. Holy shit! Oh man! That's it. It's running.